if I had to ask you one question, probably a high point of you being a part of this film, and the way you've been portrayed, you look lovely, and are you really from Goa? Just tell us a bit about yourself, it would be lovely.
Well, actually I'm from Kolkata. I'm Bengali, and I've been a calendar girl myself. I took the Kingfisher calendar 2013, and right after that I got this film, and I think I'm Destiny's child, and I think this movie just came to me because I did the calendar, and the movie's called Calendar Girls. So wonderful producer and some amazing co-stars, so I'm taking back really great memories with me.
That's lovely.
Thank you.
Akanksha, it's stunning to see how you spoke with such simplicity. How been this modern and
For me, actually, I was in my comfort zone because, like when Badr sir saw me, he knew that he's found his Nandita Menon. And I've been a South Indian actor. I've done movies in South. So for me to play a South Indian girl was like something I'm most comfortable in, and I think it's a dream come true for all of us, because to do a debut with Mr. Bhandarkar is like wow. I have no words. And yes, I can't say much about my role, but you'll get to see a lot of it.
Well, Shatrupa, being a Bengali girl, I'm sure this must have been cakewalk for you, because most Bengali women are known, for that X factor. How was it to be a part of the Calendar Girls, and has it been a special journey for you as well?
See, the day when I walk into Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar's office, I could make out that when I walk in, he was just sitting right back and looking at me for like some 2-3 minutes to see how I walk in. And then when I took my seat, he told me, "Are you a Bengali?" And somehow that first question has given me so much hope in life. After that, this was my 6th audition for a film. So I somehow knew that I'm going to crack this film, and I'm sure I'm getting a call for an audition, and that happened, and I'm here. I'm hugely proud that I'm representing Bengal, and nothing like this platform with Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shatrupa. That was lovely. Avni, we've just found out some similarities between Madhur and Modi ji, and considering your surname is Modi as well, I want to know some connection there. Kuch hai wahan pe?
Yeah, when he was talking to him Modi ji ka. Well, my surname is Modi, and I'm from Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and me and our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we belong to same community.
उनको बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा कि आप पाकिस्तानी का रोल कर रहे हैं? नहीं, थोड़ा हो सकता है ना मतलब.
हाँ, तो मधु जी है ना, वो हैंडल कर देंगे. So no, but we don't belong to same family, but we belong to same community. And I'm still clueless कि मधु जी ने मुझे पाकिस्तानी गर्ल कैसे उनको पोर्ट्रे किया मुझे, because when he saw me and when he called me for the audition, and when I gave the audition, and then he narrated me the subject and say कि पाकिस्तानी लड़की है, and I was stunned. Say पाकिस्तान से मेरा कोई दूर दूर का connection नहीं है, I had no relation. तो he said, "No, I can see a Pakistani girl in you." Sir, मैंने इनको एक ही सवाल पूछा, "सर मैं पाकिस्तानी दिखूंगी ना?" He said, "हाँ मैं दिखाऊंगा ना." So he was so confident about me. और working with Madhur ji, I just want to say one thing कि जिस भंडारकर एंटरटेनमेंट में काम करने के लिए बाकी एक्ट्रेसेस को सुपरस्टार बनना पड़ा, वहाँ पे हमें हमारा डेब्यू फिल्म मिल रही है. So it's a pleasure working with you.
And last but not least, Rui Singh, how was it? How was the experience? How did the journey start, and how do you feel right now?
A very good afternoon, everyone. It was a fantastic journey, and the journey is not over yet. I think it's just a start. I'm very grateful to Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar for giving me this wonderful opportunity. He's always been my favorite director, and I remember watching Fashion with my dad. And I loved the film, and I could never ever imagine in my wildest dreams that I would debut with him. Of course, I won an international beauty pageant, and being a Miss India, beauty pageants is very different, When I actually stepped onto the set for the first day, I was very nervous. I was like, "Mujhse to nahi hoga." I had so much confidence, but suddenly just crashed down to the floor, and he motivated me. He just said कि रूही जलवा कर दे, आग लगा दे आज. And I think लग गई है आग, and 25 सितंबर का हम सबको बहुत इंतजार है. Thank you so much.
Thank you, calendar girls. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for being here and being this patient, and Madhur sir and Sangeeta ji for bringing this lovely film to us. 25th September. We'll see you at the cinemas. Oh, great. So we have another promo. Please hang in there.
We need a hand. We definitely need a hand. Thank you so much. Please help me step.
One more, sir. Excuse me. अरे शॉर्ट्स कौन है? खड़े साहब. कारण रंजीत. अरे दादा ना क्या हुआ? One more, sir, वीडियो के लिए. Excuse me. मोबाइल. आवाज़ है ना? चलो भाई ट्राइपॉड निकालो. Excuse me. चला सोड ना काय लागणार आहे का तुला शॉट? अरे हा लागणार नाही. बस रे बाइट कितनी बाइट लेगा? बाइट है. दादा सर बोलिए. सर ये ट्राइपॉड पड़ा पड़ना बाबा खाली पुढे केबल अडकला पकडा दादा केबल अडकला विवेक हां एक पुढे बस किती छोटा काय चालला रे तो पण चल तू केबल दे मला मैं बताऊंगा मैं बताऊंगा चल ठीक है बोल देता हूं ले लो आपने करवा के ले लो ऐसा बोल देता हूं चलेगा ठीक हाँ हाँ वही साथ में बोलता हूँ पेपर के साथ सब चालू करो ओके कितना निकाल